So this is my project. It's basically a garage like parking system, like to enter and exit. On the little display, it shows how many cars are inside and it's ready. It also has a wireless function with the remote. Well, if I press it, it goes off and on. I will explain in a second what it does. It's currently unlocked. These are my little cars. So it goes in front, the gate opens, I go through, I leave it there, and you see now it says there's one. You grab another one, do the same thing. It goes up to the gate, it opens, you park inside. Now it has two inside. Now let's say one decides to leave, okay? It goes there, it goes through the gate, and it leaves, and now the counter says it's one. So it keeps track of all the cars inside the system to ensure that like there's a limit, or if there's not a limit, always want to keep count like how many cars are inside a certain parking garage, just to have an idea of like how many people are in the area. So now what this remote does, you go ahead and lock it so it has a red LED there, and let's say a car wants to enter now. It goes up to the gate, you'll click, and on the screen it says locked, no enter, so the car cannot enter. But let's say you put this away, let's say this car that's originally inside already but it's locked, right? They can still leave. The gate goes up and it goes out, and the counter still goes down. Now there's no cars inside. This more like you want to lock up the system, you don't want nobody to go inside. So this is a simple way to like control, like, oh, let's stop the amount of flow, the amount of cars going in. So basically all I have is the two little sensors right here, the ultrasonic sensors and the two servos. You just attach to these little cardboard like gates. I have the display right here, the Arduino, the breadboard. I have the supply module. Here's like the IR receiver, and most of it, a lot of the cables are under the piece of cardboard, but a lot is right here. I tried cleaning it up as best I could, but other than that, that is the basics of the project.